Hi, I'm Victoria Lewis, a medical esthetician, and today we're going to be talking about at-home microneedling. What is microneedling? Microneedling is also known as collagen induction therapy. So what we're doing is basically creating tiny little micro injuries to the skin in order to produce collagen and elastin, which we quit making in our 20s, which is unfortunate, right? So we're always constantly trying to fight the signs of aging, and this is the perfect way to do it. There is a big difference between at-home microneedling and getting microneedling done professionally. The main difference is going to be the depth of the needles. So when you're doing at-home microneedling, the one we're going to be using today, it's 0.25 millimeters, whereas professional microneedling is going to be anywhere from 0.5 to 2.5 millimeters. So it's a lot deeper. So penetrating a lot deeper, really helping more with like those deeper wrinkles, and to also help with any acne scarring. The at home will definitely help you with fine lines and just better texture and pores, just brightening the skin. It's a really great one to keep up the results of microneedling. The first thing that you want to do is start with clean skin. I started with the AnteAGE cleanser. This is a really light foaming cleanser, gives your skin a deep cleanse without feeling stripped or dry. This is the actual microneedling device that we're going to be using, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So this is the actual microneedling roller. I'm not sure if you can even actually see the needles because they're actually very, very tiny. So what we're going to do before we get started is we're always going to clean it first. So you want to submerge it in alcohol, let it dry off for a few seconds, and that's exactly what you want to do directly after you finish. We want to make sure we keep this as clean as possible. You never want to leave your skin bacteria, let it marinate, and then reuse it again without cleaning it. Always clean it before and directly after. So this kit, the at-home microneedling kit, the AnteAGE kit, actually comes with 5 little ampules, and these are going to roll on. What you're actually microneedling into your skin is super important. So whether you're having a professional treatment or doing the at-home treatment, what we put into the skin is super important to get the best results possible. So with AnteAGE, we have the professional solution, right? Whenever I'm doing a professional treatment, or with the at-home, we're doing adult human bone marrows, growth factors from adult human bone marrow, and a combination of that with hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is extremely hydrating. So it's really going to give your skin an amazing glow and rejuvenate the skin as much as possible. We are going to roll this on the skin first, and then we're going to microneedle it into the skin. So you want to use pretty light pressure. This isn't one of those things where the harder you do it, the better. It just feels a little prickly, and you want to use a cross-hatching pattern. So you see how I was going up and down before, and now I'm going horizontally. So we want to do about 4 to 5 passes, and it's okay to put more stem cells on. So this is what's actually going into the skin. We're going to go ahead and continue the remainder of the face. Again, it comes with a little holder. You want to fill that little part with alcohol and make sure that you're letting it soak in there for a few minutes and then dry, and then put it away dry and clean. Whether you're doing microneedling with AnteAGE in a clinical setting or at home, what you're doing is flooding your skin with signals, biological signals, to promote your skin's optimal skin health. After you finish the microneedling, what you want to do is apply the AnteAGE step 1. So this is a 2-part delivery system, and we are going to use both of them on top of the microneedling solution that we just did. Step 1 is going to be the serum. The serum has a lot of amazing ingredients in it. It has the growth factors, right? It's going to have botanicals. It's also going to have niacinamide and peptides as well. Step 2 is what we're going to do next, and also lastly, because this is being done at night. So step 2 is also going to have growth factors in it, and it also has a lot of ingredients. What I really love about AnteAGE is there really is no filler ingredients at all. It's all going to be really pure ingredients. There's no parabens, no fragrance. It's cruelty free, and that's something I can definitely stand behind. So we're just gonna do a little pump of step 1. And then we're gonna follow it with a little pump of step 2. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me, and that is At Home Microneedling with Victoria.